Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys showered so much love on my previous and my last upload of my Savannah haul that I thought कि चलो let me do a winter wear का haul that you guys have been requesting for such a long time. So आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys some beautiful trending Savannah के winter wear that I got. आपको कार्डिगन्स, जैकेट, पफर जैकेट, इस तरीके के स्वेटर वगैरह सब कुछ मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ and these are just so pretty and Pinteresty. You guys are just going to fall in love with them. The quality and the pricing, they are just chumeshwari. So without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. Also before I begin the video, आप मेरे कूपन कोड को लगाना मत भूलना. जब भी मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ ना सवाना का, मैं हमेशा ही बोलती हूँ कि प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू यूज माय कूपन कोड दैट इज अनुरिका44. वैसे तो हमेशा सेल चलते रहता है सवाना पे. अगर आप मेरा कूपन कोड को लगाओगे तो सेल के प्राइसिंग के साथ साथ मेरा आप कूपन कोड को लगाकर और भी आपको ऑफर्स एंड डिस्काउंट्स मिल जाएंगे. सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू यूज माय कूपन कोड दैट इज अनुरिका44 every time you shop in Savannah. So I have so many of the विंटर वेयर राइट यार जो मैं पहन रखी हूँ वो भी मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. एंड दीज आर सो Pinteresty, Korean inspired items. I can't wait to go ahead and share this with you guys. So let's start with the haul. Let's start with the very first item जो मैंने previous वाले haul में भी share करा था and you guys just loved it. So this is the pullover sweatshirt. It is for 1150 rupees but ये आपको right now 25% off में मिल रहा है at just 862 rupees. Again आप मेरा कूपन कोड को लगाओगे तो आपको और भी ज्यादा डिस्काउंट्स मिल जाएगा. The only catch is ये आपको one size में ही मिलता है. Exactly matches the picture and this is what it looks like. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So cute. ये मेरे लिए oversize है but मेरी मम्मी के लिए ये बराबर fit हुआ. She wears in between large and extra large, so for her it is just so perfect. So this is what the beautiful oversized sweatshirt looks like. Very weirdly it just fits and sits very nice on the neck area. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि oversize है तो यहाँ से मेरे neck की तरफ से ये पूरा ढीला है. And because it's oversized, so you have this very baggy oversized fit on the side which is just so perfect. You have the back right here. Very cute, very good quality. I stay in Calcutta. उतना इतना ठंड तो होता नहीं Calcutta में. So these are just so perfect for Calcutta का winter, so called winter जो कि बहुत 15 to 20 days के लिए आता है. So this is just going to be so perfect. I will absolutely enjoy wearing this. Next, I have this very beautiful half placket sweatshirt. It looks very Korean inspired and that's the only reason मैंने इन सारी चीज़ों को मंगवाया है. You will see a lot of this, items and pieces getting inspired by Korean fashion and that's why it looks so Pinteresty and looks actually very nice. And आप देख पा रहे हो एक textured sweatshirt है, beige white color का and then you have this something written like a Louis heart जो लिखा हुआ है वो sky blue color में है जो कि बहुत ही beautiful है. I love the color. It's not white. It's beige as well as cream. जो beige cream color का है. It is exactly like that. This is what it looks like. Very cute. Very cozy. आपको इस तरीके से ये chain मिल जाएगा. So you go ahead and open this like this and wear it like this. और आप इसे बंद करके भी पहन सकते हो like the one that I'm wearing. आप इसे ऐसे खोल के रख सकते हो या फिर पूरा बंद करके भी रख सकते हो. लेयरिंग आपके लिए बिल्कुल बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्ट है. बहुत ही प्यारा है. Again, something आप अगर कॉलेज जा रहे हो, ट्यूशन जा रहे हो, just wear something like this, layer it up, आप muffler ले लो and you're gonna look so nice. The next product is something that I'm wearing and the moment I wore this I was like what in the world is this? It looks so good. I look so good in this. So this is the contrast half placket sweatshirt. Again it retails for 1290 rupees. आपको beige and black में मिल जाएगा and black and white में मिल जाएगा but I really love this beige and black combination. It's not white but beige in color. One size में मिल जाएगा. This image I just caught my eye and I had to get it. पूरा zip कर सकते हो या फिर आप इस तरीके से आराम से आधा खोल के रख सकते हो या फिर मेरी तरह पूरा का पूरा खोल के रख सकते हो. I don't love to wear something पूरा गले तक बंद रहेगा. I just feel very suffocated and this is what the whole vibe looks like. It's so good. Mainly again ये oversize है which is just so perfect. Side से आप देख पा रहे ढीला है, oversize है but the hands are just so perfect. So with the overall look is just so Korean inspired and so Pinteresty. The moment I wore this and saw myself in the mirror, I was like, what in the world is this? It looks so cute. I just can't wait to go ahead and wear it outside. Now let's move on to the last two items जो मैं मंगवाई हूँ. So this is what the next item looks like. It is this very beautiful color block fur coat and this is for 1890 rupees, but आपको ये 1500 का मिल रहा है at 20% off on Sabana and आपको sizes extra small से double XL तक का मिल जाएगा. This is what it looks like, ठीक है? I love it. I've seen very similar items on H&M and Zara for unreasonable prices. So I went ahead and saw similar items on Savannah, so I had to get it. It is so damn soft. Oh my god, I do not own or have something like this in my wardrobe, winter fashion या फिर winter pieces. So I had to get it, ठीक है? Oh my god, the quality. They're just nailing with the quality. Oh my god. So this is what the next item looks like. It's so cute. I am absolutely in love. मेरे मुंह से शब्द नहीं निकल रहे because it looks very beautiful in real life and it exactly matches with the picture. The sleeve looks like this. I can't just wait to go ahead and wear this and create such beautiful statement outfit with this and make everyone's head turn. And the last item that I ordered is this very beautiful puffer coat that retails for 2190 rupees, but ये आपको right now 15% off मिल रहा है at just 1800 rupees and sizes आपको small से XL तक का मिल जाएगा. That comes in two different color. One is off-white and one is black, and this is what it looks like. ये वाला color मैंने मंगवाया है obviously. This is what I have. It's so cute. So this is what the beautiful jacket looks like. I'm thinking of going on a vacation with my mom somewhere. I'm not going to reveal it, but हम सोच रहे हैं इसी वजह से हम winter wear का थोड़ा मैं collection कर रही हूँ कि बाहर जब जाऊँगी vacation पे तो मैं पहनूँगी. The hood looks like this, then the body looks like this, and then the sleeve looks like this. Very good quality, काफी भारी and काफी ज़्यादा आपको warm रखने वाला है. And आपको अंदर से कुछ इस तरीके का इसका डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा. दोनों तरफ आपको दो पॉकेट्स मिल जाएंगे like this, which is just so cute. With that, I would like to end today's video and I hope you guys like it. Again, like I said, मैं सारी चीज़ों की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना. And do not forget to use my code. That is Anurika44 in order to get additional off and discounts on your entire Savannah Care orders. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.